If you want to make a new email account on your iPad, I show you how. So first open the browser you usually use. I open Safari and new tab and click this Google and just type create Gmail account and search and open this first link and scroll down a bit. Then you can see this option create an account, click that. If it's open this current Gmail account page, you just click this and click sign out of all accounts and remove the account. Now you can see this option create account, just like that. So you just choose the thing for my personal use or for work or my business. So just choose the purpose. For me it's for work. So I choose this option, third one, for my work or my business. Then scroll down. No cost, a Gmail address just for you. Click that. Now enter the first and last name for your Gmail account. I choose the small letter DD fix, DD fix. So I choose small letter, choose the exclamation. Let's see. Okay, this is next. And choose your date of birth and gender and next. Okay, it shows some suggestion, but I don't like this. I just click create your own Gmail and I type ddfix 2025 like this, or something you can add ultimate. It's your wish, you can add anything. I just type 2025 and next. Hopefully it works. Yeah. Then create a password. Create a strong password like uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters. Always prefer this all things. Confirm that. Okay, click next. Not now. Okay, it asks me to verify the phone number. So I just take my another phone and turn on the internet and QR code scanner and open camera. Okay, it asks me to verify your phone number. Verify. And I think I need to enter a phone number. Okay. Now it asks me the recovery email address. I just skip this. And phone number, I just skip this. Later I can add this. But it's necessary. You need to either add one recovery email address or phone number. This was very must to turn on the two-step verification and also for security purpose. Yeah. ddfix the name, Gmail name, and ddfix2025@gmail.com was the email address. Next. And scroll down, agree. You can read these things if you wish. Okay, continue. If you want to run a local business, you can use this option. Just enter your shop name and continue and follow the upcoming steps. For me, I don't want that. Yeah, here you can see the Gmail account were created. Successfully we created. But you can see the security updates was still shows the exclamation mark. So you need to necessarily add your recovery phone number or Gmail. That's very must. Here you can see your Gmail address, ddfix2025@gmail.com. So looks professional, right? So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about these topics on iPad, watch this playlist.